Hotter, although something fresher by the weekend. More on that in just a moment's time. But for parts of the UK, it's looking more like the Mediterranean. This is actually Totland on the Isle of Wight just a few hours ago. As much as we've got blue skies for a large swathe of the country, there's also some medium and high level clouds, just turning the sunshine hazy. But for most, it's largely dry until Friday and perhaps into the weekend as the system pushes its way eastwards. Ahead of that, still some heat, but eventually we'll see some rain and some thunderstorms, but not today. For most, it's largely dry, a good deal of sunshine. As I said, hazy at times. The far north and west of Scotland, just seeing some showery rain for a time this morning. It will tend to ease off. You could just catch an isolated shower almost anywhere, but for most it's dry. You can see from these orange and red colours the extent of the heat and the warmth across the country. Temperatures widely from 22 Celsius in Scotland down to 28 Celsius for Wales and southwest England, up to 31 or 32 for southeast England and East Anglia. Now, there's the chance of just one or two showers overnight for southern and central England. We'll build a bit more medium and high level cloud here. Later in the night, more cloud for the west of Northern Ireland. Certainly, it will be a warmer night for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Wales than the night just gone. Temperatures easily in double figures, and actually some places further south not getting much lower than 16 or 17 Celsius. For most, tomorrow is dry again. Plenty of strong sunshine. One exception, the west of Northern Ireland seeing more cloud. Some outbreaks of rain here by the end of the afternoon, and the winds will be starting to strengthen as well. A noticeable breeze across a large swathe of the country, but quite windy at times for Northern Ireland and Western Scotland later in the day. Look at the temperatures. 32 to 34 Celsius for East Anglia and southeast England. A few places may get to 35. It's likely to be the warmest day of the year so far tomorrow. As we go into Friday, these systems finally start to make inroads across the country. So that's going to bring some outbreaks of rain into Western Scotland, Northern Ireland, down into parts of Wales and southwest England. Ahead of it, we've still got the heat and the warmth, and that's likely to trigger some thunderstorms. Could bring a lot of rain in just a short amount of time, but it's a chance rather than a promise of rain. Not everyone will see them. And ahead of it, still some very high temperatures for East Anglia and southeast England. And that rain continues to track its way eastwards through Friday evening. Could become quite heavy and persistent across parts of Scotland and northern England for a time. And again, still a chance of those thunderstorms further south. So it's a really muggy, humid start to the weekend, but not for long, because as all of that showers and rain clear their way eastwards into the North Sea, we start to see something much fresher. Notice the dip in temperatures. There'll be some sunshine around, but also some showery rain, particularly the further west you are.